Yeah, good evening. This is live from Chef Ricardo. I'm in the kitchen, just come from work, and I'm going to make a lemon cleanser. Yummy, yummy cooking with joy. Big up yourself. Whole heap of love from Chef Ricardo. Let's do something quickly, guys. It's late in the morning. All right, yeah. It is late, so I'm gonna quickly do this video and go to my bed. I'm hungry. All right, I'm gonna show you how to make a lemon cleanser for your body at home. I'm gonna show you how to make a lemon cleanser. Okay, now please guys join my YouTube channel membership and support Chef Ricardo. Okay, 100%. So yeah, join my YouTube channel and support Chef Ricardo cooking. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do this on an amazing lemon cleanser. Okay, yeah, 100%. You guys gonna love this one. Something simple and also delicious. All right, yeah. Smooth business. Smooth. Big up yourself on Instagram, on Facebook. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah. Now, what I'm gonna do is simply show you how to make this an amazing recipe this evening. So you want this, you need this right here, a jug. All right, and then you need 1, 2, 3 cloves of garlic. You need to squeeze the garlic away. All right, yeah. Look at this. All right, now once you squeeze up a garlic like this, right here, I just crush them with my buckler, like Jamaican style. Chuck them inside of a container like this. Give yourself some cloves straight inside of it. Get a piece of ginger. Straight inside of it like this. Get some lemon juice or lime juice. Squeeze it in. I'm gonna show you how to make a lemon cleanser. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze a piece more ginger, 1 more cloves, squeeze it out inside of it. All right, lemon cleanser. All right, get that juice out of it. So, look at that. Look at that, look nice, guys. Beautiful and nice. Now, what you want to do? Get your hot water and pour in it like this. Cover it with a cling film. We're gonna steam it for a few seconds. Okay, put this aside with the ginger. Welcome to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. You need to have this in your cupboard. Okay, yeah, you have to. Now, look at this, guys. So that look nice. let's make a cup of tea. Right here. You're gonna get 1 teaspoon. Put it straight inside of it. Like this. This is a little bit more. Make you guys can see. So that look nice, beautiful, fantastic, and amazing, guys. All right. Now, if you want to get this, go to Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. That's where I buy my one. All right. Because a lot of people gonna wanna ask me, where did they get it from, Chef Ricardo? Here it is, the Tropical. You need to have this in your cupboard. This is like a relaxing drink. Beautiful. Pour some hot water inside of it. Cover it. We're gonna put it one side. Alright, make it go and jar. This is a secret recipe. Yeah, this is the lemon cleanser. Look at that. Alright. Yeah. Perfect lemon cleanser for the summer. Alright. If you want to strain it, you can do that. Okay. Then what you want to do, get some of this straight inside of it. Some of this straight inside of it. The ginger. That's looking good. Fantastic and amazing. So that look nice. Alright. Now, right here, this is the lemon cleanser. Okay. If you got some good organic honey, please use it. If you do not have organic honey, do not use sweetener and all them stuff there. It's better for you to use organic honey. Cheers. I'm gonna drink my cup of lemon cleanser. Okay. You want to drink this before you go to your bed. Make sure this is the last thing you're going to drink before you go to your bed tonight. With the lemon cleanser, what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice a piece of lemon. Put a piece of slice of a lemon into the cup and into this one. Give it a lovely stir and trust me, you're good to go. So what you want to do, you want to drink it. That is perfect, guys. 100%. You can taste the lemon, the cloves, and the garlic mixed together. So what you want to do, you want to drink this before you go to your bed. It is a cleanser for your body. And all 3 ingredients which I use, we are familiar with them. Clove, ginger, and garlic, and lemon. Guys, this is a fantastic drink. 100% you guys will love this. Alright? Now, if you want to get this right here. I brought my one today. Okay, this is one of them which I bought today. Let you guys see. Okay, if you want to get this from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice, this is it right here. Look at this, guys. These are natural, healthy herbs for you to use at home in your kitchen. Okay, now this one, yeah, this one, look at it. It is amazing, fantastic, lovely, and delicious. On the flavor, on the texture, the ingredients are simple. All right, simple recipe inside of this. This is like a relaxing drink for you to have at home. Go to Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice and get yourself one of these. This is amazing. Look at these two, guys. All right, yeah, look at those two. That is fantastic and an amazing. The flavor, the texture behind it is miraculous, 100%. All right, as you can see it for yourself, this one right here. All right, now do not do this at home. Very dangerous. Okay, this is very hot. Give it a mix, like you guys can see. This it is right here. This is an amazing drink. It is a relaxing drink, and 100% you guys will love it. So what I'm gonna do is strain it. All right, let's run it through our strainer. Wow, that's very hot. Okay, very hot. Yeah. Yeah, strain it. Okay, that is lovely and nice. You see the color? Beautiful. Oh yeah, fantastic. Look at that. Alright, now this one, let's use some brown sugar in it. Okay, so you just want roughly about half teaspoon of dark brown sugar, soft sugar inside of it. Oh yeah, beautiful. That is nice. Jamaica recipe queen, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Ellie, big up yourself. Guys, look at this. This is fantastic and an amazing drink. Now, this is for all of the ladies them who like for sitting at their back garden and read them book and look up in the sky and look at the beautiful moon and the stars and the sun. This is for you. All right. Well, you have some man like for sitting at the back garden and reading book. Yeah, you can also try it. All right. Here it is. You got this one. I will be making a drink from this in the morning before I go to work. And this one is this right here. All right, as you can see it for yourself. I'm already pouring it out, guys. But you guys can see exactly what I'm talking. Bay herbs inside of it, not Jamaican herb, the one where you used to make tea. So do not get it twisted. Okay, guys. Anyway, as you can see it for yourself, this is an amazing drink right here. All right, fantastic. The flavor, the texture is blessed, loving. This is just like delicious. All right, 100%. Cheers, guys. Look at my tea I'm drinking. Lemon cleanser. Jamaica recipe queen, I need to drink this. All right. This is a fantastic drink for you to try at home. Lemon cleanser. How to cleanse your body before you go to bed at night. 100%.